Good morning. I am currently on my porch listening for turkeys to gobble, going from one end to the other. And I haven't heard anything yet this morning, but it is kind of crappy weather, so I'm not expecting to hear them gobble this morning. Kentucky's opening day for adults is tomorrow. So it's Friday. I took the day off work and I am getting everything ready. I'm finishing up 2 videos actually right now. The one you're actually seeing right now. And then the next one's gonna drop tomorrow, the same time this one's dropping tonight. So if you like this one, you're gonna like the next one. You're gonna join my dad and good friend Dave go down to Georgia for their opening day. And I don't know, maybe they had a little luck. Stick with us, watch the videos, and get right into it.
Opening day of the woods are waking up.
We're waking them up.
Yeah, we're getting in here early. It's about 6 o'clock.
It's 2/3 of a moon.
We're ready to go.
Let's do this.
Dave's smiling. It's kind of creepy.
March 30th, 2024. Georgia.
They flew down. They went the other way. We're trying to make a little move on them. They're fired up. Let's see what happens.
We got birds to the left too.
They're just right there. I'm afraid they might see us.
Yeah, I know. They might. We might our setup right here. We got some goblin to our left.
Right there. It's hard to figure out how far away they are. They could be closer than you think.
They're close. Dude, we better back up.
Could get to them black trees right there. Are you filming?
I got you. Let him get in here.
I see them.
Okay.
They're going to the black tree.
Let them all get in here.
The black tree.
Wait, I ain't got it.
I can take him.
Oh my gosh.
Is this running? Oh my god. Did you get that?
I think I hit him.
Nah, he run off. Dude, why'd you jump up?
Because I don't know, man. You got your bird?
I'm shaking.
That was a good hunt. That was a good hunt.
Oh my god, that was a double. And they did what they said they were gonna do. They were gonna wrap around and then we were gonna not get a shot. And I was so scared. And you said shoot. That was it for me because they were gone.
Yep, you had 1 second.
He put his head back like this. And then I shot. I told you they were coming. That's why I got quiet.
You know when I cut you off, like
They were.
that tore them up. They thought there was 2 hens over here.
Dude, I was already thinking we're having breakfast. Big old hooks.
Nice.
You zooming in?
Yeah.
Did you figure out where the zoom button is?
Yeah.
I see why they come. This is perfect.
It's a bench, isn't it?
I was worried when we set up that they would swoop around this edge, and they were trying to. I got lucky because he stopped. I was waiting to shoot because he said let him come all in. I thought he was watching the camera and just gonna tell me when to shoot, but he did actually. He said you better shoot, and
You got her done.
I took him out. 40-yard shot, big old Georgia bird.
Okay, we did a follow-up on his bird. I don't think I was zoomed in. And then we were sitting there and he did an owl hoot. We heard him gobble around over there, so we're gonna try to circle around and cut him off. Let's go. Well, we got set up and one putted at me over there. And then we hit the call and waited a little while, and we just heard one gobble right over there. So we're gonna ease over there and try to set up on it.
I just seen it. There's a turkey right there. Okay. I told you they'd be here. This looks like the perfect spot. Okay, let's just set up here.
The hen's gonna come.
Okay, I think the hen's coming. He gobbled a while ago, and she's getting closer. She responded to Doug's call, and it was almost like a shouting match. She's on her way over here. But it's private property right there. They gotta come under that fence.
Gotta go. There's the fence. There she is. She's coming. Oh, there's a fan behind her. Behind her. Behind her. Dude, it's too close. I told you I heard spitting. I saw the top of a fan. Oh, there he is. Okay. I hear him drumming. Okay, there's the hen. There's the gobbler coming. Just let him come. I'm on the gobbler. Here he comes. I'm getting him. We need a hand to walk by us. Do you see the gobbler? Oh my God, this is awesome. might come in. If that hen left. I thought she was going up, man. He's 30 yards. He's 30 yards. Just don't move. That hen's dragging him off. Hurry, let it go. I don't like him when they can see us. Hold on. As soon as they get behind that thing, I'm gonna go home. Get ready. Get ready. Okay. Don't move. Oh, sweet. Did he strut? Dude, they're all strutting now. Because they're laying up there. Well, but they can see. You don't know what we can't see over the hill. You know what I'm saying? Can you see them anymore? We're still in it.
We just had 4 more toms come in, and they've gone up ahead, and I've got to get resituated, so I'm going to crawl over to that tree. I'm going to try some hand scratching on the way.
I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, he's over there. He's over there. Wait, wait. Yeah. Anytime. Yeah, shoot it. Woo! Dude, I barely got on it. Go get him.
Came in dead silent, dude. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. Whew. Oh man.
When did you see the bird?
I saw him about 5 minutes ago.
Did you
strut?
Did you see him before when I said so?
No, it was after that.
Yeah. I seen one right up there on the fence row. Well, what I did is I saw like movement, like the sun was glistening off something. I was like, that has to be a turkey.
That's why I saw his tail go up sideways. And I was like, man, that's a tom. And then he turned. I was like, oh yeah. You didn't even have your gun up.
I got it up.
I know. And I was like, and then you were looking down the barrel, and I was like, he sees it. He sees a turkey. See, I thought it was a hen. What I saw, I don't know. And then I never got on it. And I'm like, you're looking down your barrel, and I can't see nothing because that tree to your left right there. And I leaned over a little bit, and I'm like, oh my God, there's a turkey right there. And I'm like, so I'm trying to take it off this tripod. And then he cuts left, and I got him. And I was like, that's when I turned the camera on. You go, you got him? And I go, I'm on him.